Alright, so in this video I'm going to be showing you how to convert radians to degrees and degrees to radians. So first of all, if you want to convert, let's say radians, R as in radians, to degrees, you're going to multiply, let's say the radians is, whatever you have, like whatever is given, radians times 180 over pi. And then if you want to convert from degrees to radians, you multiply degrees, whatever the degrees you have, times pi over 180. So you flip the 180 over pi to pi over 180 if you want to convert to degrees. And so now, let's say whatever this example, I'm just going to give you, let's say if you want to convert pi over 4, you want to convert this to, this is already in radians, you want to convert this to degrees. So you have pi over 4, and you're going to convert from radians to degrees. You multiply by 180 over pi. Now here pi and pi cancel out. Let me do it in red. Pi and pi cancel out. So then you're left with 180 over pi. Oh, no. Then you're left with 180 over 4. So you can now simplify, and let's say you want to divide by 4 and divide by 4. That'll be 45 degrees, or 45 over 1, so it's 45 degrees. Now I'm going to do a second example. This time I'm going to be converting degrees to radians. Okay, so let's say we want to know what's 270 degrees, and we want to convert it to radians. So we multiply this by pi over 180. Multiply this by pi over 180. So if you want to make it a fraction, this is 270 over 1, and so this is going to be 270 pi over 180, and you can start simplifying. The 10s here, these cancel out. We put it in red. So now you're left with 27 over 18, and 9 is in common. So let's say, let me get this green, divide by 9, divide by 9, that'll be 27 divided by 9 is 3. Don't forget the pi. Shouldn't forget the pi. So that'll be 3 pi over 18 divided by 9, that's 2. So that's 3 pi over 2. And that's how you convert degrees to radians and then radians to degrees.